Imagine a war scenario where on one side are the world's most powerful military powers, America and Israel. They have state-of-the-art fighter jets, billions of dollars worth of missiles, and the world's most advanced air defense systems. But the surprising thing is, standing in front of this huge power is a weapon that costs less than an ordinary car. And that small weapon is slowly starting to change the entire equation of war. Many military analysts are now saying that because of this drone, Iran has developed a war strategy where the opponent can be weakened, not with force, but with intelligence and economic pressure. If the drone that needs to be stopped with $1 million missile costs only a few $1,000s, then it is easy to understand how much the calculation of war can change. And at the center of this mystery is Iran's strange weapon, the Shahed 136 kamikaze drone. This drone is often called a suicide drone or loitering munition because it does not strike directly like a normal missile. Rather, it hovers in the sky for a long time, searching for a target just like a bird of prey. When the right moment comes, it suddenly dives down and destroys the target through an explosion, destroying itself as well. Another strange feature of this drone is its sound. The sound of its engine is very similar to that of a scooter, which is why it is sometimes called a flying scooter. This sound creates fear in people, because just hearing it means that something dangerous is coming. The drone is about 3.5 meters long, has a wingspan of about 3 meters, and a total weight of about 220 kilograms. It carries an explosive warhead weighing 30 to 50 kilograms. There is a propeller at the back and a simple two-stroke gasoline engine, which helps it fly at a speed of about 200 kilometers per hour. Inside the drone, there is a small computer system that controls the entire flight. It uses GPS and inertial navigation systems to stay on track. Even without GPS, it is launched from a truck, where a rocket booster first lifts the drone into the air. Then, when the main engine turns on, the booster separates. The range of these drones is about 2,000 kilometers. However, their real strength is, they do not attack alone. Many drones are sent together, which is called a swarm attack. They usually fly low, so it is slow to be detected by radar. And when they are detected, it is often too late. The biggest problem is the cost difference. A drone costs several $1,000s. But the missiles used to destroy it cost hundreds of thousands or even millions. For example, systems like Iron Dome or Patriot missiles, both are much more expensive. As a result, when hundreds of drones attack at once, the defense system also comes under pressure. This is why many experts believe the Shahed 136 is not just a drone. It symbolizes a new reality of modern warfare, where a small drone worth a few $1,000s is challenging weapons worth millions. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.